Buenas noches, mi nombre es Omar Ricardo Suárez Vargas, soy del curso de inglés de la Universidad Nacional de a Distancia. Tengo la oportunidad de estar con la profesora Ángela Gutiérrez y soy mi nombre y estoy en el grupo. Este es la tarea número 4 del Task Lex. Bueno, entonces pues voy a hablar de mi presentación, que es del río Neusa, que es Neusa River. Write a brief description of place and its located. On this tour we can be car or we wash. The locals can go across country, he go around the mountains or the hills, Colombia. Describe some activities that you can do in this destination. When you arrive at the Neusa River, you will be able to fish in the reservoir. We are sure that you will enjoy a boat tour through this magical aquatic space. Write for recordings out for to include the first thing to win Miss Joy 3 you must be to work for last 2 hours you must wear conform choose English around the you should hard feuds. Right athletes to common person its place. Local people of belief to tradition persons. The simply a woman's name is that she has life only usual through the mount it shares of love or through travels. The author is mother Amol. She is a beautiful woman who looks for people who drive nature deceived with beautiful and shop her name with. Write about the best to travel. You can go to the city of Neusa at time of year, since you can enjoy sunny rain days. Describe the often a meal to display. You can in some play or for camp with the first. Write about the rule for this place. The first and most requested for the Neusa is to find you can subtraction as freedom report typical trick of this place. Typical trick of place is a card dream. Mention the mode of traction commonly offset in this place. You can have go your car. You free to type public transportation. Write the language is in this place. It was for break Spanish. Read the cruise set its place as this to in Colombia to the house Colombia pesos. Hard portfolio. Thank you very much for both. Stay tuned and we hope to speak you very good. Thanks.